Oh, I am. Oh, I can see Liam.
Hi guys.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Mom. I
Hmm.
can see Liam.
Hi Zoe.
Hi. We're going to the Philippines.
Excited? How about you?
Me. Yes.
Okay. How about you? Ha? Si Kangay. Mr. Liam Tulen.
He's so excited. Yeah. Hey, wait. Oh, hey, Moody. Baba. No, he's
Baba.
not Moody.
Okay, be careful, be careful, be careful. Okay. Come on, come on. Ah! Uh-huh.
Good evening. Maganda gabi. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, refueling is complete and seatbelt signs are now on for the boarding procedure. Thank you.
Mama. Zoe.
I have my nails.
I love this. I love this pocket. Does all the work.
Here's my bottle.
See? Focus. I don't have to adjust lights.
Alan Palatao, Second Officer Marco Cipra, and our team of stewards and cabin crew under supervision of Purser Elaine Ternate will all be looking after your safety and well-being for this evening's flight. This is PR 105, a Philippine Airlines Boeing 777 aircraft servicing you to Manila. 25 nautical miles. We plan to fly initially at 28,000 feet, and eventually as you burn up fuel and get lighter, we will be doing gradual climbs up to 36,000 feet.
For Manila, our pilot in command is Captain Cheval Escalante, with First Officer Jonathan Avellanosa, First Officer Alan Palatao, and Second Officer Marco Cipra. This is your flight purser, Elaine Ternate. Our estimated flying time is approximately 14 hours and 30 minutes, and we shall be cruising at an assigned altitude of 36,000 feet. We will now be showing you the safety features of these aircraft, the Boeing 777, in accordance with Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. We will be turning off the cabin lights.
Like that.
Mabuhay! Welcome on board this Philippine Airlines flight. Before we depart, we want to let you know how much we care about your safety. This is inspired by everyone in the country.
Wait, off
for
first,
the safety
off.
of everyone in this
Stop
flight.
first.
Time. For now, I would like for you to take your assigned seats as soon as possible to facilitate our departure.
Yeah?
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, finally. No.
Place the life vest only outside the aircraft. Your life vest light will automatically switch on once immersed in water. Covered almost everything. Mabuhay! From Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.
Show me. Show me, baby. You like it? Wow. What's inside?
local time is 5:25 in the morning, and the date today is December 16, 2024. The ground temperature is recorded at 26 degrees Celsius or 78.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt signs have been staff who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Shibal Escalante, First Officer Jonathan Avellanosa, First Officer Alan Balatao, and Second Officer Marcos Cifra and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.